And here are we back with another video of my room, trying to clean it up. Like, I can't even record like this. I cannot record with this room the way it is right now. It's just way too messy. Oh my lord. Like, it is stuff everywhere. Like, it's unbelievable how many things I have every single where. There's no way that I can even record here. And that was a toy. Look at this. It's a tremendous disaster here. So we need to clean all of this before I can actually record. Main reason why I haven't recorded for so long is because I've been busy with other projects. You probably will hear about them soon. Maybe in another couple of months, because it's not something that it will take just 1 or 2 months. But everything is super messy here. We are going to be cleaning it up. I'm not gonna be finished today again. A lot, but not completely. And somebody escaped from the living area. Give me 1 second, guys. I keep my dog in half of the house because she still doesn't behave well, and I'm still getting to trust her with things. She doesn't pee or poop inside the house anymore, but she does destroy things. So I keep her in the area where she won't be able to destroy as many things as possible. So she escaped that area. So that's what I was doing. But we are not here today for that. We are here for cleaning this messy room and make it ready for me to be able to keep recording more videos for you guys. So let's dive into that. All right, guys, so this is what we did today. I know it's not a lot, but I wanted to record my cleaning process with this video. I cleaned the room a lot. As you remember, I couldn't even walk here. Now I can walk, and I can get to my recording area with ease. I need to try a lot of clothing. I'm gonna be doing a try on for Walmart and Amazon. Some of the items are right there. I already tried them and some of them fit, some of them don't. Some of them I love them, some of them I didn't like that much. But here it is my studio right now. I watered my plants, they were a little thirsty. I cleaned my desk. As you see, it's clean. It's organized. I know where is everything. I put the makeup back in their place. I need to reorganize these drawers. So I'm gonna definitely be gonna do that and have to kind of like throw away everything that is expired, anything that it doesn't work. Over there, I have a bunch of things for future giveaways that I'm gonna be doing soon in my Spanish channel. And maybe I will do a giveaway in this channel soon, maybe in December. I also have to go to that pile of clothing there. I'm gonna be posting a lot of things in my Mercury. Essentially, that's the one that I've been using the most. That's the one that I like the most. Poshmark charge a little too much for selling stuff on their platform. So I'm probably going to be putting a lot of things on my Mercury. Link down below. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope this video was entertaining for you. And if you like, give a big thumbs up. I'm going to be coming back again, doing more cleaning videos. This is not done whatsoever. It's just organized enough for me to be able to record. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.